We're super excited to launch our initiative. It's a 25-city roadshow called Take Home a Robot Workshop. Bring people in, explain what RPA is, give them the awareness that they need to understand how this technology is really disrupting the enterprise. We're going to do breakout groups and have people actually build their own bots. So you'll be leaving with a true digital assistant, a personal robot.
JOLT designed the Take Home Robot Workshop to just show how easy it is to use the UiPath development platform and to just also show you how this amazing technology can make your life better.
So our goal is ultimately for you to come and learn and take away the key concepts about RPA, and as well as have the best experience in building your own personal robot.
Last but not least, after the event, it's time to unleash your inner robot. We'll host a happy hour where everyone can network and share their experiences from the workshop over drinks and appetizers.
I think this workshop is suitable for both IT and, straight business users, for sure.